In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Namecheap email for your domain. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to your Namecheap dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll see several options, but today we're interested in private email. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the email settings where you can manage your email accounts. Now that you're in the email settings, find the section where your active email subscriptions are listed. You should see your domain and any available email services. Next to your subscription, you'll find a button labeled Manage. Click on that. This will open up the configuration page for your email service. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the bottom right corner of this configuration page. You'll see an option that says Create Mailbox. Click on that and we'll move on to entering the details for your new mailbox. Here's where it gets a bit exciting. You'll need to decide what you want your email address to be. For example, you might want to use the prefix info or support. Just type your desired email prefix in the appropriate field. Remember, this will be the part that comes before your domain name, so choose something that fits the purpose of your email. Next up, you'll need to create a strong password for your mailbox. Think of something that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your password, make sure to confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Having a strong password is crucial for keeping your data secure. Now let's talk about storage. You'll see an option to set your preferred mailbox storage limit. For most personal or small business uses, 10 gigabytes is typically more than enough. Go ahead and set this according to your needs. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, there should be a button that says Save Changes. Give it a click. This will create your new email account and you're almost there. To access your new inbox, go back to the main email settings page. Look for the email address you just created. Next to it, you'll find an option that says Edit Storage. Click on it, and you should see another option to select Open Webmail. This will take you to the login screen for your new mailbox. Congratulations! You've just created an email address using Namecheap for your domain. Opening your webmail for the first time can feel pretty rewarding, especially knowing that you now have a professional-looking email to represent your brand or to communicate effectively with your clients. If you run into any issues or have questions as you're setting this up, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new Namecheap email.